Welcome friends. Now in next few episodes we will be understanding different figures and mensuration on Taylor frame. Let us start with a square. In this episode we will understand a square on a Taylor frame. We will define a square and will learn the methods of finding perimeter of a square on Taylor frame as well as area of the square on Taylor frame. We will also derive the formula for these. Please like and subscribe the channel. A square is a four-sided polygon in which all sides are equal and all the four angles are right angles. That is, side AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are right angles. On Taylor frame, look, there are equal number of pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This represents first side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This represents second side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 third side, and similarly fourth side. And as you know, the holes for the pegs are in horizontal and vertical lines, means perpendicular to each other. So you can easily represent a square on a Taylor frame and make one touch and feel the lengths of the sides, and you can also say that these are equal. You can also make them feel like the angles are right angles, and therefore a square can easily be shown on a Taylor frame, and everyone can form a clear picture in mind what a square is. You can also cut a cardboard in the shape of a square and show it to the student. Now on Taylor frame, look, I am representing the sides. AB, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Now one can feel, one can read it, one can feel the shape, and therefore can easily understand what a square is. Area of a square. If side of a square is represented by x and area by a, then a is equal to x squared. That means area is equal to side square. For example, if the side of a square is 5 centimeter, then area A is equal to 5 square centimeter square. Unit of area is always in square. If it is centimeter, it is centimeter square. A is equal to 25 centimeters squared. On Taylor frame, let centimeter be represented by this shape. You don't forget that this is the shape which is used to represent something which is not an alphabet. It can represent unit, it can represent angle, it can represent factorial, it can represent sigma, it can be used to represent anything in mathematics on Taylor frame. Since I need to represent centimeter, therefore I am assuming that let this shape represent centimeter on Taylor frame for the current topic. Now A is equal to x raised to power 2, that is x squared. Side of the square is 5 centimeter, therefore A is equal to 5 raised to power 2. On simplifying, we get A is equal to 25, 2 and 5, 25. Then it is centimeter, using the same symbol for centimeter, raised to power 2, that is centimeter squared. So you can easily represent area on a Taylor frame and calculate it. Please like and subscribe the channel. Perimeter of a square, as is always in all figures, perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all the sides. So perimeter of a square is the sum of the lengths of all the 4 sides. As we have assumed the length of each side equal x units, so perimeter is x plus x plus x plus x. Adding it is 4x. That means it is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, so we now know the perimeter of a square is 4 times its length. Let us understand it through an example. Perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of its sides. As derived just now, perimeter C is equal to 4x, where C is the perimeter and x is the side. For example, if side of a square is 5 centimeter, then perimeter C is equal to 4 times length, that is 4 into 5 equal 20 centimeter. On Taylor frame, let centimeter be represented by this type as we did in the previous slide. Then C is equal to 4 times x. Okay, 4x. This same formula C is equal to 4x can easily be represented on Taylor frame. So you can see very clearly. If side of the square is 5 centimeter, then perimeter C is equal to 4 into 5, which is equal to 4 into 5 means 20. So it is 20 centimeter. Units of perimeter are centimeter or meter or kilometer, but not square. Unit of area is square. Okay. Thanks for watching the channel. Please like, subscribe and share this channel.